guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do so. This recipe I'm using is super easy. All you need is flour, eggs, and some breadcrumb mix. I started off using breadcrumb mix that's bought from the store and I didn't like it. So I made my own breadcrumb and added it to the mix that I had. And as you can see, I just start off by putting the seasoned chicken in the flour, eggs, and then the breadcrumb mix. And then I would fry it for 2 minutes each side.